Hey team, it is me, or rather, it is not me, it is my digital twin. We are here to introduce you to the idea of using a digital twin. In case you are wondering which one of us is the real David Smith, he is the one looking old and haggard, whereas I look as fresh as a daisy. So open up the Hey Gen app and follow along. It will ask you for some privacy-based information first, which can seem scary. I'm going to try something here. Apparently, it will allow me to translate what I'm saying inside the app and the script, so I will attempt to repeat this in Malay. Wish me luck.
Saya akan mencuba sesuatu di sini. Nampaknya ia akan membolehkan saya menterjemah apa yang saya katakan di dalam aplikasi dan skrip. Jadi saya akan cuba mengulangi ini dalam bahasa Melayu. Doakan saya berjaya.
Anyway, let us get the show on the road. Take it away, the real David Smith.